Hey everybody, Jay Sinclair, Squid Ink Manufacturing. We're here at Pack Expo in Las Vegas, and today we're showing our sister company Eastey's ERX15 automatic case erector feeding into the Eastey 1848 conveyor, and then we're also featuring our Copilot 512i high-resolution inkjet printer, which is going to print onto cases as they pass by the printhead. So the Copilot Max 512i is one of many printers in the Copilot family. We've got other printers that range from 0.7 inches all the way up to 5.6 inches of print, depending on your application. So after the case is erected and the bottom is sealed, we're packing the box, and then we're printing variable information on the side of the case, in this case the major panel, where we have product identification. We might have some barcodes, some date codes, and some lot codes, pertinent information to our customers' needs in this type of manufacturing scenario. In this case, we're replacing a pre-printed 4x6 hand-applied label and printing directly onto the box, which offers tremendous cost savings, not only in material but also in labor for our customers. And we're printing opposite sides of the case, which is a common requirement also in the packaging industry. After the case is filled and printed, it then transitions to an automatic case sealer, where it automatically folds all 4 flaps on the top, seals the top of the case, and sends it down for palletizing, eliminating the need for operator intervention. Again, Jay Sinclair with Squid Ink Manufacturing. For more information, check us out at squidink.com or eastey.com. Thanks for watching.